We met him after 2017 World Cup. That was a very special moment for all of us because when we came back, we lost the World Cup. We came back, we all were very sad and very low. But he invited all of us to his place, and he spoke to us. He gave us a lot of encourage to do well in our life. And I think that was very special moment for all of us because even though you lost the World Cup, but after that still your Prime Minister is there to support you and encourage you to do well in your life. जब हमने सर से हम लोग बात कर रहे थे तो उस बीच उन्होंने he spoke to me that he was very impressed with when I scored 171 and हम लोग सर के लिए बैट लेकर गए थे, साइन बैट जहाँ पे सारे प्लेयर्स ने साइन करा था. एंड देन हम लोग जब पिक्चर करवा रहे थे तो he specially called me and asked that if I can take that bat from you because he was very impressed with my batting performances. So I think वो मेरे लिए बहुत important moment था कि हमारे देश के जो प्रधानमंत्री है, he saw me playing on the TV and he was so impressed with my performance and today he wanted to take that bat from me. The way he was talking to each of the athletes and उनकी performance के बारे में उनको पता था. तो I think that was something very special to see that even though he's so busy but still he could find some time for us to watch. सर को सबकी performance के बारे में पता है और कैसे हम जीते. So I think that was something very special.